Hey guys, welcome to Code Factory, and today we'll be talking about JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web, and basically the browser or the website understands three languages. One is HTML, CSS, and last JavaScript. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language, and this tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced, from changing of DOM elements to client-side validation, integration of APIs, and so much more. So stay tuned. Now, the prerequisites of this course is nothing much. You don't need prior knowledge of JavaScript or programming language at all. You just need a little knowledge of HTML and CSS, and basically you need your browser and the text editor. And on the text editor I use, and I advise people to use, is VS Code, because it's vast. You can use it for plenty languages and frameworks. I can use VS Code for my PHP Laravel, my React, or my ASP.NET, and Python, Django, instead of installing multiple text editor for different languages. And you see text editors like PyCharm, PHP Storm. We have lots of them. So I use VS Code because I know sometimes I have to change between languages and I just want to use one text editor.